Hi everyone, Patek here, and maybe I spoiled you a little bit in my last few videos that came from amazing places in southern Italy, in central Italy, because, well, my travel is over. I cannot show you anymore these amazing places. I am back at home and my home looks like this, so I hope it's still quite enjoyable for you, but I also know that you're not here for landscape, Dolomites, mountains. You are here for the rumors, and more specifically in this case for the X100V replacement rumors, and we have something rock solid to tell you about. But let's go with order. We know that Fujifilm has two registrations currently filed, one for the FF230001 and one for the FF230002. And usually it takes Fujifilm about 1 to 6 months to finally release the product after it has been registered, so it means both of those will come in 2023. We also know, thanks to our rumors, that one of the two will for sure be the Fujifilm GFX100 replacement, which will come, also rumor, on September 12th, because there will be an X Summit on that day. As far as the second registration goes, I asked you in a survey what you would like that camera to be, and on the very top of that ranking we got the X Pro 4 and the X100V. So the X100V replacement is definitely a highly wished camera. And also I've read some speculations that it will also be announced on September 12th. That's the second registered camera. But that's all wrong, because according to our trusted sources, there won't be any Fujifilm X100V replacement coming in 2023. That's the bad news. But the good news is that it will come in early 2024. That's when the X100V replacement will be announced. So now I'm working on all the details regarding X100V replacement, the GFX100 replacement, and many other gear I have not yet rumored. So all of it will go online on FujiRumors as soon as the time comes. All you have to do is to stay tuned on the blog, stay tuned on his YouTube channel, and you will get it all. So that's it for me. I now have a couple of hours of hike still to do here in this area, which is the Vilnius Valley. Back there, the Puez-Odle group of the Dolomites. It's extremely beautiful. If you are in the area, go check it out. I leave you the description, the Google Maps location in the description box down below. That's it for this video. Have an absolutely fantastic day. Goodbye and ciao.